Hello farmers, and welcome back to your #1 organic poultry YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into the world of pumpkin leaf extract and how it can make a real difference in your chicken farming, whether you are an organic, broiler or layer chicken farmer. So, why the pumpkin leaf juice extract? It turns out that the pumpkin leaf juice extract is very rich in nutrients such as proteins, amino acids, fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients will definitely give your chickens a boost that you have been looking for. Adding pumpkin leaf extract to your chicken's diet not only improves their appetite and helps them eat better, but also makes the digestion and nutrient absorption more efficient, which means, especially for the broilers, they will put on weight more effectively. And it's not just for the broilers. Layers benefit too. We are talking increased egg production, better egg quality, and even a lower chance of losing your birds. Plus, think of this pumpkin leaf extract as a natural multivitamin for your flock. So, if you are looking to level up your poultry production without exploiting your pockets, join me as I share with you not only the benefits of this supplement, but also how to prepare it and the amount to add into the chicken's drinking water. But before we get into this video, kindly, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notification so that every time that I post another educative video, YouTube will alert you. Also, make sure to hit that like button and also the share button, because they help this video to be shown to more farmers so that they can be able to get this important information. You can also tell us where you are watching us from and leave your suggestions and questions in the comment section below. So let us first discuss the benefits of supplementing your layers or your broilers with the pumpkin leaf juice extract. And number one is that it improves the feed intake. Broilers that were supplemented with the pumpkin leaf extract were found to have improved feed intake, which is attributed to the ability of this leaf extract to boost palatability of the feed, hence increasing appetite. And this is because the presence of the macro and micro minerals in the extract have been found to improve palatability, hence leading to a better feed intake. The second important benefit is that pumpkin leaf juice extract improves the feed conversion efficiency. Pumpkin leaf extract has compounds that help to protect the lining or the walls of the chicken's gut, and also increases secretion of digestive enzymes, which helps to improve digestion and also absorption of the nutrients, leading to better utilization of these absorbed nutrients into the weight gain, especially in the broilers. The third important benefit is that it improves the weight gain in the broiler chicken. The pumpkin leaf extract contains lots of nutrients, which in addition to the improved digestibility helps to convert these nutrients into weight. The compounds in the extract have also been found to improve digestion and absorption, and as we have said, better digestion and absorption leads to more nutrients being available for the weight gain. The fourth important benefit is that this supplement increases the egg production in layer chicken. Layers that were supplemented with the pumpkin leaf extract were found to have increased laying by 6% compared to layer chickens which were not supplemented with this extract. And this is because of the improved feed conversion ratio and the nutrients that are found in this extract, which helps to improve the laying in the layer chicken, because you see, there will be more nutrients which are now utilized during the egg making process. And the other important benefit to the layers is that this supplement helps to increase the egg quality. Again, layers that were supplemented with this extract had a slight increase in the egg properties like the egg size and the egg shell thickness. And these are two of the properties of the egg that customers are looking for, and also that a farmer would want the eggs to have, because if you have well-sized egg, then your eggs are going to stand out in the market. Also, if the egg has a stronger eggshell, it means that you're going to reduce the losses when you're transporting your eggs to the market. The other important benefit is that the pumpkin leaf juice extract reduces mortalities. A study on the effect of supplementing broilers with the pumpkin extract concluded that only the broiler chicken from the group that was supplemented did not die, as compared to the group which received no supplementation, where mortalities were present. And this can be attributed to the ability of the pumpkin leaf extract to provide the necessary nutrients, so that now this can help to build more stronger immunity, which means that your chicken will not be affected by infections which can lead to death. The other important benefit is that the pumpkin leaf juice extract is a natural multivitamin. A study comparing the effects of pumpkin leaf extract and the synthetic vitamins concluded that the cheap, healthy, and nutritious pumpkin leaf extract can be used instead of the expensive, harmful synthetic vitamins. Now that we have talked about all these good benefits of the pumpkin leaf extract, how do you prepare it? So what you need is you're going to get the pumpkin leaves, then you're going to wash them properly. Then you're going to chop them into small pieces. After chopping them, then you're going to put them into the blender and blend them. You can add some water so that you can help in the blending process. After you blend, take that solution, put it into a clean cloth and squeeze out, so that now you can be able to get the pure leaf extract. For the amount of the pumpkin leaf extract to supplement to your chickens, in broilers, you're going to add 80 milliliters or 80 mLs of the pumpkin leaf extract into each 1 liter of the chicken's drinking water. And in layer chicken, you're going to add 120 mLs into each liter of the chicken's drinking water. Supplement is going to be given to your birds 2 to 3 times per week. As you look forward to use this pumpkin leaf extract into supplementing your broilers and your layers, I also recommend that you hit the video that is on your screen right now, so that you can be able to know the 5 best organic plant supplements that an organic poultry farmer should have at the farm.